Ameyoko is a popular shopping street for foreigners visiting in Japan. This busy marketplace is located along the Yamanote Line Ueno stations.
Maraming nag-vlog dito. Talaga, hindi nakakaya mag-vlog dito.
madami.
Madami dito nag-vlog.
Oy!
Lamig na pre, no? It's so cold in Japan right now. It's around, how many degrees Celsius? It's 80. It's around 4, maybe 3. And we're just walking around Ueno to explore this place.
This area is full of attention-grabbing stores. It offers enjoyable products at a reasonable price.
そうね、1000円。
1000円、安いですね。
6枚入ってる。
Ameyoko also sells so many types of goods like Japanese pattern jeans, collective item sneakers, fish, exotic products, and sweets. You can't imagine a thing that you can't buy in this place.
Ano bang mabibili dito, pre?
Marami dito mga Asian food. Kung naghahanap kayo ng mga like tuyo, ganyan. Tuyo na.
Yung amoy, ano?
Tapos mga paa ng manok, ganyan, Adidas.
Adidas.
Hindi yung sapatos, paa ng baboy.
Paa ng tao.
The name Ameyoko is a short form for Amiya Yokocho, which means candy store alley, as candies were traditionally sold here.
Pre, librin ka na sapatos, pre.
Nasaan?
Anong size mo?
9?
9? Anong size niya?
Aside from bizarre item shopping, you can also enjoy drinking with your friends when the streets transform into an atmospheric party hallway full of Japanese izakaya or Japanese bar at night. You can try a wide-range Japanese variety of cocktail drinks, Japanese sake, and beer. Imagine enjoying a glass of beer while holding a bag full of pig feet. Woohoo!
Dito kami, hanap kami ng kainan.
Pre, dito na tayo. Paper lunch. Paper lunch.
Paper?
Paper.
Pepper? Busog na kami! Ganito toilet sa Japan. Malinis. May naririnig ka, pre.
Gulat ako ba? Nagbibidyo.